We've got some new toys here at ecoTekkSC Sunshine Coast, and these are called Foldaway. Look at this. In the back of the car, 2 e-bikes ready to go. Brand new out of the box. Let's flip them up. Pop out the pedals, and then we'll get the second one out. Put them in. Way to go. And we're just about ready to put our helmets on and go for a ride. When you're traveling, perfect for the caravan, put 2 baskets on the side. You can get 5 shopping bags worth of groceries on there. So let's head off to the supermarket. Catch you later. So we've been down to the IGA and got our shopping. Okay, and we're going to just quickly put our helmet on. Put our shopping basket. Put our goodies in the bag. Put the stretchy strap along. Put our battery on. And let's head back to the caravan.